Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a Bengali recipe, that is Jhinge and Aloo Posto. So the ingredients required to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken near about 500 grams, that is half a kilo of ridge cod, that is Jhinge, and I have peeled it and cut them like this into slices. This I have taken 3 medium size potatoes and I have cubed them. This is turmeric powder. I'll be using 1/4 teaspoon. This is optional, friends. You can prepare this recipe without turmeric powder also. So this is just optional. Salt as per our taste. I'm going to prepare this recipe in mustard oil, and it is recommended to prepare in mustard oil because this oil will give a lovely flavor to this recipe. This is posto dana, which I have grinded in the grinder with one green chili. You can see green things there. It is a green chili. So I have grinded the posto dana with the green chili. And here I have taken 2 green chilies. If you want it more spicy, you can grind more chilies in this. So now let's get started. So friends, here I have heated 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and now I will add these potatoes into this mustard oil. Be careful, friends, because there might be water in the potato, so just be careful. I'll first fry the potato for some time in this mustard oil. Then I'm going to add the jhinge, that is the ridge cod. So let's only first fry these potatoes for 3 to 4 minutes over high flame. Now friends, you can see the potatoes are slightly fried. Now I am going to add the jhinge to this recipe. Jhinge has lot of moisture in it, so it will start leaving water. Just mix it a little bit. And then this is the time we will add the salt as per our taste. Once we add salt, jhinge will start leaving the water. So friends, please keep in mind, we'll add salt as per our taste, but little less, because once the jhinge gets cooked, it will shrink. I will add the turmeric powder. This is optional, friends. If you want, you can add. If you don't want, you just go without it. Mix it. And now we will reduce the flame to low, and we will cover this so that the potato and the jhinge gets cooked. So friends, now we will remove the lid, and as you can see, there's a lot of water that came out from the jhinge. You can see the potatoes are also slightly cooked. At this time, friends, we will add the posto paste. First add half, then mix it. This goes very well with boiled rice. Now we will mix the remaining. We will add the green chilies also. And now we will cover this and continue cooking over low flame. Now friends, after cooking it for 5 to 7 minutes, I will remove the lid, and as you can see, it has dried up, the water has dried up, and the potatoes are also cooked. So it's ready. Increase the flame, and for 1 minute just let it simmer on high flame. And now our Jhinge Aloo Posto is ready, so we will put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. So friends, here is our delicious Jhinge Aloo Posto ready. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.